Hey guys, you're going to start math the same way the rest of this week. You're going to do a kindergarten fluency drill. Here we go. Three, 5, 6, 1, 13, 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11, 9, 18, 4, 12, 8, 2, 19, 7, 14, 5, 8, 15, 4, 20, 1, 17, 10, 9, 16. Okay, so remember our goal for math is showing 18 as 10 and some more ones, and 19 as 10 and some more ones. 18 looks like this in a 10 frame. My first 10 frame is full. I can quickly say 10, and I can count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. When I break it apart, I have 10 and I have 8 more. 19 looks like this. Again, the top 10 frame is full. I can quickly say 10 and I can count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So when I break it apart, 19 is 10 and 9 more ones. Before we do some work in the workbook, let's listen to a video.
Eleven, 12, 13.
Hey, Joey, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Professor Berger. I've been bowling and I'm counting my score.
Oh, great.
Let's
What fun.
see. Now, where was I? 8? No, I said that. 10? I said that too.
Did you lose your place?
Yes, I lost my place.
I'm sorry.
Now I gotta start all over. 1, 2,
Oh, wait, Joey?
3. Yeah?
Do you want me to show you a really cool, fast way to count?
Well, yeah, as fast as the speed of light. Whee, whee.
Well, not that fast, but actually pretty fast.
Well, let's do it right now.
Okay, well, here's a riddle where we can practice.
Okay.
So, check this out. One 10 frame is completely filled,
Okay.
and there are 8 counters in a second 10 frame.
Got it.
Okay, and now here's the riddle. The riddle is, how many counters are there in both 10 frames? And then I want to know how we knew that answer.
Okay, so what's 10 and 8 more?
Exactly. So let's try it. Okay, so we first know that we have 10 counters in a 10 frame. So I'm just going to take 10 counters
Put them
and
right
put
in
it
there.
right in there.
There
And the
they
10
are.
counters, no problem. And now we have 8 counters in the second 10 frame.
There they are.
And let's just make sure that there we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're all there.
Looks good.
Now, to count really fast, what we do is we don't start from 1 like you were doing on the bowling score. We know that a full 10 frame has how many?
10.
Exactly. So let's just start from 10.
Okay.
So that's 10. And
10.
now we come here, 11. And now
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17.
18.
And there's the answer. So we see we have 18 counters in both 10 frames. That's the answer. And why? Well, because we saw a full 10 frame, and we know that it has 10 counters, and we can just count right from 10 to find the total.
I get it. That's really fast counting.
And so, what do you conclude? What did you learn?
Well, I think I need more practice.
Huh? What do you mean?
Well, I only scored 18 by this card. So, if you need me, I'll be at the bowling alley, Professor.
I will get my shoes and see you there.
Oh, cool!
Bye. Have fun with math. We'll see you soon.
All right, so the puppet taught us a trick that we've already been practicing, and it's counting on. When we see 10 of something, we can start at 10 quickly and count forward. First, we're going to practice counting by ones, writing the number 18, writing the word 18, and repeating for 19. Then we're going to practice what the puppet just taught us. So get out your workbooks. This is page 415. You're going to count the yellow cubes, cross them out as you count them, and practice writing the number. Okay? In kindergarten, we don't need to know how to write the word 18 or 19. We can't sound them out, but this is good practice. Just making sure you're doing nice and neat handwriting when you're tracing. So we're counting, writing, counting, writing. When we get to the next page, we have 10 frames. So this is when we can use the puppet strategy of looking at 10 quickly and counting on. Okay, so I'm going to count and write, count and write. At the bottom of this page, I'm going to make a math sentence. How many were in my first 10 frame? How many are my second 10 frame? How many do I have altogether? When I'm done with 18, I have the same directions on the next page. I'm counting and writing, making a math sentence. When you're all done with these 3 workbook pages, you can play the video again and check your work. Right now, I need you to press pause and try it on your own. All right, let's check our work. When I'm counting and I see a full 10 frame, I know that I can quickly say 10 and count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. When I write the number 18, I start with a 1. That shows 1 full 10 frame and an 8. Make a S, don't you wait, go back up and close the gate. That's the way I make an 8. That shows 10, 1 full group of 10, and 8 more ones, 18. You should have practiced it 4 times. Number 2, again, I see a full 10 frame, so I can quickly say 10 and count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I just had practice tracing, now I'm writing on my own, and 18 is a 1 and an 8. Problem number 3 down here, I'm making a math sentence. How many were my first group of 10? It's full, I know there's 10. How many are my second group of 10? 8. This is an addition sentence. My plus sign tells me to put together. And when I have 10 plus 8 more, I get 18. Let's check the next page together. Again, I see a full 10 frame, so I can quickly say 10 and count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. A 19 is a 1 for 1 full 10 frame and a 9 for 9 more. You should have traced the number 19 4 times before moving on. I'm counting a full set of 10 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I traced 19 4 times. Now it's time to try it on my own. I make a 1 and a 9. Okay, my last problem is to make a math sentence. So I'm looking at the first 10 frame. I quickly know there's 10. I'm looking at the second 10 frame. There's 1 less than 10. There's 9. The plus sign tells me I'm adding together. The equal sign tells me I'm ready to get my answer, and I know 10 plus 9 more equals 19. The last page you have to do in your workbook today, we'll do it all together. There's some story problems on here. So remember, when I do a story problem, first I need to listen to the words, pick out the information I need to know, and then solve. It says, Grace picked a number of flowers, 1 more than 17. Circle the number of flowers Grace picked. Draw more flowers to show that number. So what we need to figure out is how many flowers Grace picked. We know it's 1 more than 17. So if you're looking at a number line or you have a number line in your head, you can quickly count 1 forward. You might already know your answer. Let's count these purple flowers to check our work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more do I need to draw to get one more than 17? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Am I done? Nope, I need one more than 17. So I have 17, I add one more. I would have 17, 18. One more than 17 is 18, so I know 17 plus 1 is 18. My last problem today says draw a set of 19 objects. If you circle 10 objects, how many more are there? Complete the addition sentence. So remember in math, we always draw circles. I'm going to draw mine in the shape of a 10 frame. We're drawing 19 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So if I put 10 in my first group, how many more do I have? 19 shows you the clue is 10 and how many more? You might already know the answer. Let's count to confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 19 equals 10 plus 9. The last thing you're going to do today is your teen fluency drill. We have all of our teen numbers in this deck. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to quickly tell me how many are in each. And if you see the numbers we're learning about, 18 or 19, today I want you to flex your muscles. 15, 20, 11, 14, 19, one of the numbers we're learning about, 18, the other number we're learning about, 16, 13, 12, 17. All right, we're all finished with math today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.